Hi everyone, in front of me Huawei FreeBuds 5i headphones, and now we are taking a look of these FreeBuds and I will tell you about pros and disadvantages for these headphones. So these headphones have great sound, especially if you pair them with an Android device and then use the LDAC codec. But of course the LDAC codec can't provide any better sound than the AirPods Pro 2, for example, or AirPods Pro. That's because the codec is important, but far more important is the size of the driver and the materials of which it's made. Also, if you are going to pair them with an Apple device, then you won't be able to take advantage of the LDAC codec. But regardless of that, their sound is really great. I'd even say the best for the money. The headphones are controlled by touch gestures. It's handy, but the touch doesn't always work, which I'll talk about a little later. So it would be better if the control is done like on Huawei FreeBuds Pro or FreeBuds Pro 2, for example, or AirPods Pro, with touch gestures with effort rather than touch. So, pros. Starting with the case. It's made of high quality materials and it's very comfortable to hold, but I use in the free case for these headphones. Case is really great. Here we have top part of this case, and here I can take it off because here I have a glue. And okay, so case is really great with great materials, and case is good too. And okay, so here of course I have the pairing button, and this pairing and reset button conveniently placed and easy to access, and you will need this button. So remember it, you will need this pairing and reset button. Moving on to the headphones. The stylish design is just the tip of the iceberg. They fit comfortably in your ear and stay put even during physical activities, for example, like running. The sound quality is also impressive, and with 2 pins for charging. As you can see here, we have 1 pin for charging, and here we have second pin for charging. So in this way your headphones will charge really fast, and in this way, even when your headphones will dirty, it will still charge it. So moving on. Okay, so of course you will never run out of battery, because here we have really fast charging for 15 minutes to 3 hours of playing music, and it's really great. In light windy conditions, the noise reduction feature will make sure you don't hear any distraction white noise. The ability to connect to the 2 devices simultaneously is a standout feature, and it's what makes these headphones so convenient. I really love this feature. I think this is the best feature of this device, because the ability to connect to 2 devices at the same time make it incredibly convenient for users who need to switch between devices frequently. So, okay, there are pros, but now cons. However, there are some downsides to consider. When using the headphones with 2 devices, you will need to reset them several times a week, sometimes every day, as they may refuse to broadcast sound. At times, even when the case is closed, the headphones will play music from within the case. If you are listening to music from one device and a notification comes in another. For example, if you are listening to music from a smartphone and notification comes on your laptop, for example, the headphones may switch to the other device, and it can be a bit of a hassle to switch back. So you need to take your headphones off, input it in the case, close case, open case, then you need to wear your headphones again. So I think it's uncomfortable. Okay, and using them in conjunction with a MacBook can also be problematic, as the headphones will connect to the MacBook even when the lid is closed and can interrupt the music playing from your phone. So in this situation, you need to reset your headphones. Another issue is then when using to the noise cancellation or transparency mode. After a while, it may turn off on its own, and sometimes only in one of the headphones. So to fix this, you have to remove both headphones and put them back to enable the noise cancellation or transparency mode again. And finally, another important thing to keep in mind is that gesture control may not always work in cold weather. So, all in all, the Huawei FreeBuds 5i headphones are a great choice for those looking for headphones that can connect to multiple devices and deliver good sound quality, but the application of these features and the soft of these headphones is not too good. So you may want to consider the downsides before making a purchase. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.